How to make any window full screen on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To make your Windows full screen on your window, you simply need to use the F11 keyboard shortcut. So for that, let's open on a screen keyboard and click on open button. Now you can easily click on F11 if available on your on screen keyboard, but you can use the physical keyboard as well. And after that, this will maximize and make your screen full. You can even press F11 in most apps or browsers like Google Chrome as well. To exit full screen, you can press F11 again. The next step that you can follow is simply you can click the maximize button. For example, let's say for Chrome, you can open it and then open any of your browser, and after that you can click on the maximize bar at top right corner of the screen, which is the little square like icon. In order to make it to the same shape, you can easily click on that maximize button again to restore the windows to its original size. Other thing what you can do is simply snap to the edge of your screen. Let's say for Chrome browser only, you can drag the windows to the very edge of your screen. It will occupy the entire display. To exit full screen, you can easily drag the window away from the edge. By following this method, you can easily make any window full screen on Windows. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the